In just a few minutes, I will show you how to push AI to answer perfectly. Have you ever been desperate because of bad answers from ChatGPT? I mean, you just wish that AI understands you better. But that misunderstanding between you and ChatGPT just drives you crazy? In this video, I'll walk you through 3 formulas for effective prompts that really work. Hi, my name is Stepura. I'm an entrepreneur, founder, living in Silicon Valley, right in the heart of AI, and all of these AI big, cool companies. But I've noticed that many complaints about communication with ChatGPT and that sometimes it could be annoying. But I found out these formulas for prompts and I start receiving more than perfect answers from ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Bart, and other AI tools. So let me explain these 3 formulas. So the first one will be the best for asking anything you want to know and receive a great structured answer. The first rule of every prompt will be a 3-step structure. For example, specificity, what, plus context, plus purpose. How? Equal to effective prompt. But what exactly does it mean? Let's dive in. By the way, all prompts, links to the tools, as well as many other AI useful things you can find in my AI resource library, link download below. Of course, it's free. In the first formula, start by being specific. This is your what. What exactly do you want to know or achieve with the response? The main rule here is to be precise. Next, add context. This is your why. Why are you asking this question? What background information does ChatGPT need to understand you better and to give a better response? Lastly, clarify your purpose. This is your how. How do you want ChatGPT to respond? Are you looking for a detailed explanation, a brief summary, creative ideas, or maybe a step-by-step guide? So one more time, what plus context plus how. And your perfect prompt formula looks something like this. I want to know about specific topic because context or the reason, and I need type of response. Your prompt to ChatGPT might be like, I want to learn about growing tomatoes specifically suited for a small garden space. Provide me with a response in detailed steps. Let's shorten it without losing the meaning. I want detailed steps on growing tomatoes specifically suited for a small garden space. You see, I slightly changed the order. I started with how, adding what, and adding context. In the beginning, we started with what, because sometimes it's difficult even for us to understand what we really want to know, right? Beginning with what helps to clarify your needs. However, if we already know what we want to know about, then of course go ahead and starting with the how would be a better choice for having a shorter prompt. And let's see what ChatGPT has for us. With this prompt, you're likely to get a precise and useful response that directly addresses your needs. Another formula for prompts is open-ended question plus exploration plus limitation. This is a great when you want to explore some topic more broadly or more creatively. Start with a prompt which doesn't have specific right answer, like an open-ended question. For example, what are some innovative uses for AI in education? Add exploration within prompt. Ask ChatGPT to consider different angles, like could you explore both the benefits and the challenges? And then add limitation to focus the response. You might say, focus on AI applications for high school education in the US. And your prompt becomes, what are some innovative uses for AI in education, exploring both benefits and challenges, specifically for high school education in the US. And voila, here's the response. And the last, but I think the most useful formula, the third formula, is about question type, depth, and personalization. This combination works great when you need some response which is tailored specifically for your interests or your situation. Add a personal touch. Maybe you are a teacher and want to know how AI can be applied in your classroom specifically. Choose your question type. For example, a factual question might be, what is the history of AI? Or opinion-based question, what are your thoughts on the future of AI? Decide how deep you want to go. Do you want a quick summary or a detailed analysis? So a prompt could be, as a high school science teacher, what are your thoughts on how I can integrate AI into my teaching methods, focusing on practical applications? All these prompt formulas you can find in my AI resource library, link below. And there you have it! 3 powerful formulas for crafting your perfect prompt for ChatGPT or any other AI-powered chats. Remember, the key to a great interaction with AI lies in how you ask. So go ahead and try these formula out and see how they transform your AI experience and how to use ChatGPT 4 for free. Watch the next video.